Yo, what is up guys, welcome to this video, and in today's video I want to show you how you can change the background color of your Instagram story. So the first thing you need to do is create an Instagram story. Now how you do that is you swipe right on your homepage of Instagram and then you present it with this. You just take a photo and then what you want to do is click on that little squiggly line at the top right. Tap on that and then you want to select the color that you want your background to be. So in this case I could select purple or red or blue or anything, and if I want a different color I hold down on this and I can select any color that I want from the palette. So I'm just going to select this purple color, and then what I do is I hold down on the middle of the screen for a couple of seconds and the background has now changed, and then I can select the tick mark at the top right, and then if I want to I can add some stickers or anything that I want to add onto the story. And that's how you change the background of your Instagram story. But what if you want to change the background of a post that you've shared onto your story? So I'll get out of this, and then what you want to do is go onto your feed and select the post that you want to maybe share. So I'll select this one to share. I tap on the little share airplane and then I select add post to story, select that, and now the background, as you can see, is yellow. It is coming from Instagram. They selected that color for me. So to change this color I just tap on that little squiggly line at the top right again, select my color. I'm going to go with blue this time, and then I hold down in the middle of the screen and now the color of the background has changed. So guys, I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you did, smash that like button, consider subscribing because I'm uploading how-to videos about technology and social media every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Peace guys.